Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is Bluetooth Earbud Tuesday, or Earphone Tuesday, a series of videos where on a Tuesday we unbox and provide some first impressions of some Bluetooth earbuds or earphones and let you know what we think and how they work with devices such as iPhones and Android smartphones. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. Right then, so today we're going to unbox and provide you with some first impressions of the AUKEY EP-T21 earbuds as purchased on Amazon. Now these were a special deal on Amazon, a lightning deal, and I thought that for less than £20 sterling, it was worth seeing how these compare to much more expensive earbuds, and more importantly, how they compare to other AUKEY earbuds. AUKEY is a brand I've come to trust and know quite well over the last few years, and I have to say I'm quite intrigued in seeing how these very affordable true wireless earbuds perform. So, packaging, as you can see, is simple, very little going on. You can see at the top here is model number EP-T21, and it's not dissimilar to other packaging we've seen from AUKEY. Now obviously we have a case here, power bank case or battery case for the earbuds, which contain the earbuds themselves, but let's see what else is in the box. Right then, so we have a styrofoam holder for the earbuds themselves and the tape. There's a quite chunky bit of literature here in the form of a manual and a sticker. So quick, big chunky user manual and a small quick start guide that walks you through the whole process of charging and using the earbuds. And there's also, in this case, a short USB type A to USB micro USB little connector, so these obviously charge via micro USB, as well as some spare ear caps or little silicone ear tips for the buds. So let's move that stuff aside and focus on the earbuds themselves. So we've seen that these are micro USB, that's probably acceptable in this price range at less than £20, and you can see that micro USB insert for charging the earbuds and their case there. Now the way these work is that you have the earbuds themselves, which have their tiny lithium-ion batteries in them, but you also have a battery built into the case, which then enables you to lengthen the battery life of them. And unlike other earbuds we've seen recently, rather than inserting vertically, these are horizontal, so probably much easier for someone like me to pick them up, take the contact off and put them back in the case. Whereas I tend to struggle with the sort of vertical insert ones to set them up. So there you go, very nice little case. There is some sort of magnetic mechanism here keeping the case closed. Very compact, and I think these will fit nicely in a pocket. It's not something too big and chunky, and relatively light for its size. Now the earbuds themselves, as you can see, on the stems have LED indicators. At the moment, the earbuds are obviously charging, but we'll see how they work when being paired with a smartphone. So what I'm going to do is now pause this video for now. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to be pairing the AUKEY EP-T21s with my iPhone 12 and my Vivo X51 Pro 5G, and playing around with a few settings and just comparing the sound to other buds I have. What I'm going to do is specifically go through audiobooks, podcasts, some YouTube video to see if there's any lag between what's on screen and what I'm listening to, and some music as well. So I'll be back soon with my first impressions and overall thoughts on the product. Okay then, so I'm back, and I've been testing the AUKEY EP-T21 earbuds for about an hour now. And I have to say, overall, they're a really good set of earbuds, especially for that magic £20 price. Obviously, for that price, there's one downside, and that is that micro USB cable for charging. I'm not going to complain about it too much. For a £20 pair of earbuds, that's perfectly acceptable. The sound quality is great. It tends towards the slightly bassier side when listening to music and also watching video. So, especially when watching YouTube video, it gets a little bit closer to the bassy side. But I have to say, overall, value for money and the sound quality you get for that is excellent. Really good pair of earbuds for around about £20. Gestures are pretty simple. There's a quick start guide with all the key gestures explained. Essentially, the top bit of the earbuds are the capacitive connector, and that's where you tap or tap and hold or double tap or triple tap for actions. And it takes a bit of getting used to if you're used to another set of wireless earbuds, but it works perfectly fine. I also had a quick video call with a friend to see how they sounded, and they could hear me fine. This was me sitting in a quiet living room making a quick voice call. So not sort of a real world test, but just in an ideal situation, sound quality was good and it worked well. So overall, I could say these are pretty good. Obviously, we don't know what the overall battery life is like. AUKEY declare them as being at least 2.5 hours for the earbuds themselves, and the case will give a total of 4 extra charges. So that's pretty good. And as I said, bear in mind, these are around about £20 on Amazon. What I'll do is put the Amazon affiliate link to this product in the description. If you decide to purchase a set of the AUKEY EP-T21 earbuds, from that link you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks. And as I said, value for money, I think these are excellent. The sound quality is good and it tends to be a little bit bassy, but for the price you're getting a good deal. Now, if you're interested in knowing, these are slightly different from the EP25s we unboxed and provided first impressions on a few weeks ago. If you'd like to ask more, feel free to leave us a comment in the section below. And if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. But for now, thanks for watching, and we will be back soon with another video here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Goodbye for now.